Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike. One of my most recent videos at the time of filming this was a taco dip recipe that I did. And in that recipe I used a homemade taco seasoning, which I didn't really share. It's just a recipe that I kind of picked up a few things online and put some things together. But one of the comments that I got was, hey, we want to know more about this homemade taco seasoning. So anyway, I decided to put together a short video today to show you how I put together my homemade taco seasoning. Let's get started. Okay, and there's what we are left with. So now you can transfer this into a small container, or if you're going to use the whole thing, you can go ahead and just use it from here. So what I do is I'll usually just transfer this into a container. I'll make a bigger batch and then I've got it for when I need it. It smells exactly like what you would expect taco seasoning to smell like. So look, this is just going to be a short video here. We are all done. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Cheers. I'll see you guys next time.